Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I'm going to make easy cucumber, tomato, and onion salad. So just keep on watching because I'm going to show you how I make my salad dressing also at home. We only need cucumber, tomato, and sweet onion. You can also use the red onion if you have it available at home. So now that we have all in the bowl, we are going to prepare our salad dressing. We need 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt to taste, a little bit of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill. So now we are going to add it to our cucumber, tomato, and onion. Refreshing side dish, perfect for easy meals. And thank you so much for watching guys. If you have any comment or suggestion, just comment it down below and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Have a good day.